Why use workload identity federation? Typically, an application, service, or script running outside of Azure uses a secret or certificate to access protected resources in Azure, Microsoft Graph, or Microsoft 365. Secrets and certificates pose a security risk and can also expire, which leads to service downtime. Managing secrets properly is hard and takes developers away from their real work, building products. Workload Identity Federation allows you to access Azure Active Directory, Azure AD protected resources without needing to manage secrets. You can configure an Azure AD app registration to trust an external identity provider such as GitHub, Google Cloud, or Kubernetes, so your external software can access the resources to which the app registration has been granted access. Let's see how it works with a GitHub Action workflow deploying a web app to Azure App Service. First, configure your app in Azure AD to trust your GitHub repo. Create a federated credential on your app to trust the tokens issued by GitHub Actions to your GitHub repository. Next, configure an Azure login action in your GitHub Actions workflow to exchange GitHub tokens issued to the workflow for an access token from Microsoft Identity Platform. The Azure login action authenticates with Azure AD and allows your workflow to deploy resources to Azure. Push code changes to your GitHub repo and your GitHub Actions workflow deploys your web app to Azure App Service, all without using certificates or secrets.